So I have one word for that app, that is just wow.
So, ma'am, the first question is, why is sustainability a very important part of any curriculum or branding?
So, sustainability term, it came from UNDP Sustainable Development Goals, and there's a purpose behind that. All across our surroundings, we see, pollution,
Yes.
we see carbon emissions, right? Now, what is sustainability? Sustainability is like you do something today in a way that becomes sustainable for your future generations, right?
Yes.
You do in that way.
Yes.
So the definition itself, like sustainability, if you go to Oxford, if you go to Google dictionary, you'll find what's the meaning of sustainability. किसी भी चीज को उस तरीके से किया जाए कि वो आगे वाली जनरेशन के लिए अच्छा हो,
Yes.
right? So looking at today's ecosystem and today's scenario, what is happening with carbon, with pollution, with climate change, like earlier we have specific seasons for rain, for summer, for winter, and now we do not have. We can't even predict that in an hour you're going to have a rain. So for instance, coming from Australia, and I see a drastic climate change over there. And it's because of we never thought of sustainable actions, maybe in last 10 years or something. We just created which is good for present. So I think whatever we should do, or either to create an awareness or any activity or the branded which is happening at DBS Global University, sustainability is very, very crucial, so that people know that how it is important for our future generations. Otherwise, see, if there is no human life, what is the
Point of it.
point of doing whatever we are doing right now,
Yes.
right? So I think that's how I think.
So, ma'am, the second question is, we had made a product on DBS Global University. That's an AI student counselor. So, what is your opinion about that product, about that CRM model which we created?
So, I got a chance to look at that product, and I have just one word for that, that is wow. So, as a student, when I asked question to that product, I think multiple of the questions which maybe a human cannot answer, that app has answered.
Yes.
And because human brain has some constraints,
Yes.
humans has got a limitation that we carry a baggage of our experience. So for instance, two faculty members or two counselors coming from different background, so their way of thinking and perception is different. So their way of answering a question is also different which a student is asking,
Yes.
right? Now, this app has mitigated. So you have put in in this app, you have the answers which has come from X counselor also, has the answers which has come from Y counselors also,
Yes.
has an answer which comes from
Yes.
Z counselor
Yes.
also. So, and then, so now a student comes from any of the 34 states will get an answer of their queries in that app. It's very fast. It's very efficient,
And we have also put in the AGI frameworking for decision making into that also.
yeah, and I think the best part is that it is taking you, directly to that. So if a student would like to talk to a university counselor directly after, having bit of all the questions which he wants to know, that which course or which program is good, where the university stands, what is the USP of the particular
Yes.
university. When all these basic questions are being answered, I think if you want to dive, as a student, want to dive deeper into that particular question, right, it can directly take you to that particular university. I think that's the best part. So it saves time, it mitigates the biasness which human carries, right, and the model framework which you have, the decision model framework which you has put in, I think it's excellent. So I have one word for that app, that is just wow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you
so much.